All right, guys, this is the next design that I'm coming up with. This is obviously going to be a 12-volt battery to be used with my street legal kits. This is just a rough design of what I'm looking for, but basically it's just going to be a normal 12-volt battery, and soon I will have little cutouts for USB-C on here, and this whole thing will recharge with USB-C, and then there will be on the other side or the back or something, I haven't decided yet, power and ground to provide power to the entire street legal kit. But this is basically the size it's going to be. Here's like a 5 amp hour battery for scale from Harbor Freight. So, and this will probably get slimmer. This is a little bit taller than it's actually going to need to be. These are the battery cells that I'll be using. These are high quality Samsung 18650s, and these are the high output ones, so they have a high discharge and charge rate. But basically, as you can see, this is quite a bit. It's almost twice as thick as that is. But I do need some room for all of the stuff inside, the wiring and the battery management and all of that sort of good stuff. But let me know if you guys are interested in this. This is mainly for those guys out there with 2-strokes that don't have batteries on the bikes and they want an easy plug-and-play solution that fits with my kit. And this should run the kit, the entire kit with the headlights and everything, for about an hour, maybe a little bit longer. I'm still going to be testing that more. And then I will probably also offer something that's twice this capacity, so 6 amp hours instead. But basically that's kind of the plan here. If you guys have any suggestions, maybe if you'd like to have a little battery level indicator mounted somewhere like on your bars or something, that's also a possibility. I could do that fairly easily. So let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. But these 2 bolts, heat inserts here, are what are going to be used to mount it. So the idea is that you would find a spot on your bike, maybe underneath on the rear fender somehow, where you could drill 2 holes, and you would put this on the inside of your bike on the other side, right? And then you would screw it in using the 2 bolts right there. And that's how it would be hard mounted. But obviously, before I sell any of these, I'm going to do some testing with it and go blast through some whoops off-road or something to make sure that these batteries are going to stay together and that they're going to be durable. I will be gluing the actual cells to this and to this so they won't move, but that's kind of the basic idea. So let me know what you guys think, and also if you're interested in testing out the first few of these that I make, you can email me at dirtscootdesigns@gmail.com. I already have one guy that I did some work on his bike for him actually here locally, and I'm going to probably let him test the first one. But if anybody else is interested, I would definitely be down to give you a huge discount, basically cost of parts, to try it out for me and make sure that it's going to be durable and that it works well, and get some feedback from you. So let me know.